It's Hiker Dude Dad and Mad Taco and B-Dog. We're here in Speedwell Forge. They talked me out of the tougher Turkey Hill climb hike for today.
No, you just changed plans. We didn't talk you out.
I was talked out by Mad Taco so we could get up here north of Lidditz and end up at the Pretzel Hut, which we haven't had in a while. So the kids are hiking for ice cream today. And we're gonna do about 3 to 4 miles here up around the Oak Loop and then down through the near the stream. So should be pretty fun. It is a beautiful day. Temp is in the 70s and it's not humid, which is fantastic. Just looking at some of the temperatures we're going to run into next week here in Nevada and Utah and Colorado.
Vegas.
And there was no day that the highs weren't in at least the 90s, upper 90s. And you know, a lot of days in the 100 teens, I guess. What we're expecting. So this will be our last pleasant hike for a while, I think. Nice and breezy today. Here we go. Coming up on the Oak Trail Loop. Heading up to the left. I don't know if it's self-serve peanut butter week.
Oh, I hope it is.
It better be. I haven't had that in a while. The thing about ice cream is getting us through this hike. So I think I've realized the reason that we don't see snakes very often is that this is a cool, breezy morning. I think the snakes don't come out until the afternoon. Makes sense. It'll be warmer. They're cold-blooded. They want to be warm. But I think my, you know, kind of psycho get up and get out and get done before it gets hot method of doing this is not conducive to seeing anything reptilian, except these two. I stopped to recycle some coffee back there, and these two took off. They're like, we'll go ahead. I said, okay, I'll catch up. This is the fastest they've gone all morning. I think they're trying to ditch me in the woods, leave me for dead. I think they're done with their training hikes. This might be a long vacation. All we're gonna do is hike, and they are fighting it every second of the way. Oh well. I don't know. I think so. I tell them that they'll appreciate it someday. They'll get to college or something, and they'll have a bunch of hippie hiker friends or something and go out in the woods. I think then they'll love it. And I'm hoping they recall these times as hey, I'm glad we did that. So either that or they'll talk about me a lot in therapy someday. I know. That's why I'm watching you to see if you're gonna fall on your butt. Neither of these guys like any hiking shoe that I've ever gotten them, so they're in sneakers. His are a little threadbare.
Ah, you're wrong.
But he's been comfortable so far on our hikes and hasn't really fallen much.
Can you help, Dad?
I'd have been done with all 3 miles by now.
Peace out, suckers.
Nobody's peacing out yet. You're not done. You're not done. Nobody's peacing out. Save the more interesting part for last for these guys to keep them going. Down by the streams here. Slow going, guys. That ice cream's gonna melt.
No, it isn't.
So super clear here. Coming now. Something floated by. I thought it was a crayfish or something.
Oh, that noise.
All right. Oh, there we go. Put a little pressure on them. Everything squeezes out. They have vents in the bottom on the side. Some of that should come out. Oh well. You guys going in?
No.
Yeah, because you go,
I'm wearing my
almost. Yeah, nope. They did not bring a pair of shoes to change into, so don't want to go into Pretzel Hut with 2 soakers, right?
Nope.
All right, I did bring sneakers to change into, so here we go. Hiker Dude Dad, we're back at the now full parking lot because it is a beautiful day here at Speedwell, but all right, Utah training is complete. What do you guys think? Finally.
Agree.
Pretzel Hut opened 1 minute ago. You guys up for some ice cream for lunch?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's our plan. Ice cream for lunch and rest up this afternoon. Laundry all day tomorrow, packing, and then out of here Friday morning, going to Vegas to start our Utah adventure. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, get some notifications. Videos from here out for the next month are going to be pretty wild. We'll see you then. What you got, bro?
Twist.
Vanilla chocolate soft twist. What you got, girl?
Root beer float.
And I've got a peanut butter cup tumble. No peanut butter soft serve today, but oh well. Pretzel Hut is still awesome.
Yeah. Way.
Smooth, man, smooth. Can't believe you destroyed that whole waffle cone. And didn't make a mess till the very end. Good job.